Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel an event on Eventbrite. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these steps as well. If you need to cancel an event on Eventbrite, what you need to do is head over and open up your Eventbrite app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now after logging in, go to manage events by clicking on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, then select manage events. You can click on create and manage and select your event from the list of your upcoming events. Once you have selected the event you want to cancel, you'll be taken to the event dashboard. Then cancel the tickets and events by scrolling down to other management section and event settings. Click on cancel event or cancel tickets and then follow the prompts to notify attendees and final cancellation. Then next is to notify your attendees and then refund your attendees if applicable. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.